Once you send a project to NC-Simul from a CAM interface, the exported data is stored in a Windows Temp folder. Perhaps you want individual access or to clear these files quickly. Now, you can jump to this location directly from the interface window. Simply click the folder icon in the top right-hand corner, and the relevant file path will be revealed. If you're trying to access this location without the CAM, another trick is to type %temp%enter and access the same folder from there. This contains the part, stock, fixture, and tool models, as well as the export XML. NC-Simul also creates a warning if this data already exists when you go to export a project from the CAM system, and then gives you the option to overwrite or rename it. Use this convenient feature to quickly manage the output data, either to create a new version of the simulation process on the digital twin, or to utilize the exported data elsewhere.